Fortified rice kernel processing plants by Best Engineering Technologies. Globally fortified food products has witnessed rapid growth in the recent times. Food fortification is the process of adding essential micronutrients, vitamins and minerals to the food. Following the global trend, Indian government introduced FRK blending policy.
राशन की दुकान पर मिलने वाला चावल हो, मिड डे मील में बालकों को मिलने वाला चावल हो, वर्ष 2024 तक हर योजना के माध्यम से मिलने वाला चावल फोर्टिफाइड कर दिया जाएगा.
Many food products like rice, wheat flour, milk, oil and salt have already embraced fortification. As per government order, India needs more than 1,000 FRK plants to meet the growing demand. With the increasing demand for FRK plants, Best Engineering Technologies, a pioneer in manufacturing of food processing plants, has done an extensive research with industry experts and senior scientists for the last 2 years on FRK plants.
Best Engineering Technologies is in the manufacturing of process plants for the last 2 decades. Now we find a huge demand, requirement for Indian conditions and Indian public, especially for the nutrition and health related products. As a part of that, food fortification is one of the subjects. There India requires a lot of technologies. Out of that, rice fortification is one of the most important, and to make the rice fortification kernels. So we developed the technology, we have done a lot of R&D, we have sold more than 50 plants as per the Indian conditions.
Fortifying rice is a big challenge, technological challenge. So in order to overcome the technological challenge, we have been working on a technology called extrusion technology, which is a very, very versatile technology. Using this technology, we can convert broken rice enriched with vitamins like iron, folic acid and B12 and make it like a rice kernel. So this is called fortified rice kernel, which is added at 1% to regular rice. So in India, we have about 40 million tons of rice going into the public distribution system, ICDS and midday meal programs, that is in the government feeding programs. 1% is added to those programs. So that means we have a requirement of about 4 lakh tons of fortified rice kernel in India.
Best Engineering Technologies, with an experience of over 2 decades, catered services to almost 50 countries. They have now come up with a new FRK plant which is designed to suit the Indian conditions. Best Engineering Technologies customized the FRK plant to suit various Indian food products such as diabetic rice, millet rice, dal analog, puff snacks, fish feed, etc. with different product lines. Best Engineering Technologies has designed the FRK plant's output ranging from 150 kilograms an hour to 5,000 kilograms an hour output even with PLC system. The imported extruder machines are modified in various aspects to make it robust for Indian climatic conditions and deliver excellent quality products to Indian markets. Some of the major customizations are power upgrade to 415 volts from 380 volts to make it suitable for Indian power conditions. Extruder barrel has been modified to increase production capacity and cooling efficiency. In order to increase efficiency, extra gearbox has been added to extruder. Motor replacement with Crompton Greaves motors so that customers can get service anywhere in India. New cooling fans have been added to vibro shifter and cooling conveyor for better efficiency. Best Engineering Technologies also provides the mounting stands for control panel, working stands and additional arrangements for ease of operation and installation. Best Engineering Technologies helps in completing the erection and commissioning of the plant. Additional advantage, Best Engineering Technologies trains the extruder operator and the plant will be supplied on complete turnkey solutions.
So when we decided to start an FRK plant in Vijayawada, we are looking for a partner who can collaborate with our requirements and do the complete setup of the plant. So we came down to just one choice, that is Best Engineering Technologies. Best Engineering Technologies not only helped us in installing the new plant in our premises, but also helped us with post-sale service support, which is very crucial for our business. Hope you guys do the same as we did. Thank you.
ముందుగా అందరికీ నమస్తే అండి. నా పేరు శ్రీనివాసరావు మాగుండరి. మా కంపెనీ పేరు వచ్చేసి ఎస్టీ ఫుడ్స్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ గుంటూరు. మేము గుంటూరులో ఈ కంపెనీ పేరు మీద ఫోర్టిఫైడ్ రైస్ కెన్నెల్స్ ఇండస్ట్రీ స్థాపించామండి. మన ఇండియన్ వేర్కి తగ్గట్టు మాడిఫికేషన్ చేశారు సార్, మోటార్స్ కానీ ఏదైనా. ఈ మిషనరీ బెస్ట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ దగ్గర ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నా అంటే వాళ్ళు చాలా బెస్ట్గా బాగా అన్ని చేసి పెట్టారు సార్, ఎరెక్షన్ కానీ మాడిఫికేషన్ కానీ అంతా. దీనిలో దాల్ అండ్ లాగు, డయాబెటిక్ రైస్, ఫోర్టిఫైడ్ రైస్ కెన్నెలు, మల్టీమిల్లెట్ రైస్ అనేవి మొత్తం తయారు చేయొచ్చు సార్. మార్కెటింగ్ కానీ ఏదైనా కానీ అంతా బెస్ట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ వాళ్ళే చేసి పెడుతున్నారు. చాలా బాగుంది సార్. బెస్ట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఈజ్ ద బెస్ట్.
So far, Best Engineering Technologies successfully installed 50 FRK plants across India and aiming to establish many more in the near future. Best Engineering Technologies is planning to have service centers across major cities in India and is committed to provide 100% support during installation process to make sure the businesses now be able to focus more on business and less on repairs, breakdowns and maintenance. And the best part is, Best Engineering Technologies has exclusive stores for FRK machine spares so that they can provide excellent after-sales service. Best Engineering Technologies, the one-stop shop solution for FRK plants. Contact us for more information.